In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp step by step so you always know what tools you're using, what they're for, and who owns them. This is perfect for founders, teams, and freelancers who want a clean, documented system instead of scattered notes and forgotten subscriptions. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as that really helps out the channel. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, the first step in this journey is to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to think about where you want your software stack to live within ClickUp. For most people, setting up a dedicated space specifically for your software stack is the best method. It'll serve as a one-stop shop for all things software related. To create your dedicated space, look for the option on the left sidebar that says Create Space. Click that, and now you'll have the opportunity to name this space something clear and intuitive. Titles like Software Stack or Tools and Systems work well. You can even personalize it a bit by choosing an icon and a color that resonates with you or your brand. Once you're happy with your choices, go ahead and click on Create Space to move forward. Now that your software stack space is all set up, it's time to organize it in a manner that makes sense for the long haul. Within this newly created space, the next step is to create a new list or folder. Which one you choose depends on how detailed you want your setup to be. For most people, a single list works beautifully. You might name this list something straightforward, like All Software Tools or Company Software Stack. After you've named your list, it's time to add tasks that will help you organize everything effectively. You can think of each task as a representation of a piece of software that you're using. So, for example, you might create tasks for ClickUp itself, Slack, Google Workspace, Notion, or any other tools that are part of your stack. To do this, just click the Add Task button, and from there, name the task after the specific software. Now this is a crucial step. Inside each task, use the description area to document key details. Things like what the tool is used for, who the owner is, login or access notes, and any renewal or billing information will be essential. This ensures that you have everything in one place for easy reference. To supercharge your organization, consider taking advantage of custom fields. This allows you to create fields for important details, such as monthly cost, category, status, and renewal date. By doing this, you can easily filter through your software stack to see exactly how much all these tools are costing you and which ones are currently active or perhaps no longer needed. As you continue to add more tools, keep repeating this process until every piece of software in your stack is documented thoroughly. You can even assign tasks to specific owners, add attachments like invoices for financial tracking, and leave comments for any updates or changes that might occur over time. Once everything is set up and running smoothly, you'll have a clear and organized view of your entire software stack in ClickUp. This makes it so much easier for managing everything, scaling your tools as needed, and cleaning up any subscriptions when they're no longer relevant. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your software stack in ClickUp in a simple yet structured way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by liking it and subscribing for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.